Okay. So, IQ View 4, there's also one of these in the chambers panel as well. So you've got operating times. So there's your 2 time zones, the heating and hot water. If you want to change these, you can just click on the time zone. And then you get a choice of this week, every week. I would tend to ignore the exceptions really. So this week will be, the change that's made will only be for this week only, and every week will be for from now until you change it again. So it's quite simple, you just drill down into the system, just Monday, and then change, and there you go. Click on you can change it however you feel.
Okay, then you press OK, do you?
And then just OK, and it'll make the change.
Then how do you go back?
And then you'll just go back.
So cancel and back to go back.
Yeah, and then it'll go back to the main menu.
Okay.
And then in Controls browser, this will give you a list of the points within this controller. In the controllers, you have what are called inputs and outputs. Inputs are values coming back from the system. So for instance, a temperature sensor on the pipework or a temperature sensor in the space. And an output will be us telling something to run. So telling the air source heat pump to run, or telling the air curtain to run, or telling the pump to run. So you can sort and filter these points as you so wish by using sort and filter. As you can see, inputs, adjustments and outputs. So inputs is, as I've said, sensors or like a fault state from a piece of equipment. Adjustments will be what are called switches and knobs. A switch is something that you could, like a binary value, it's on or it's off. And a knob is, so for instance, a space set point. So for instance, the library is currently set at 21 degrees. It'll control to 21 degrees.
So the library's at 21 degrees. So is this where we go if we want to change the temperature?
So if you want to change the temperature, I would highlight just what are called the knobs in the adjustments, or if you just leave all the adjustments, then you'll find it within there. So you've got cafe space temp set point is 20 degrees.
So there we go. So there's the library.
So it's actually at 20.
So library set at 20. So show us then. So let's just say they want to have it at 21. So we go into the library, we click that, and then you just simply change it to what it wants to be. And then
leave it, and then that's it, done.
So leave it, it'll flash a bit, it'll go yellow, then it's done. So for now though, we'll put it back to 20. Yeah. It all seems quite comfortable.
And as you can see, the range of that sensor is only from 19 to 21, so you can't go without that range.
Okay.
20.
Right.
There you go.
Okay.
It's controls browser. Let's have a look at it. So then also you could look at maybe a sensor value to see what the sensors are doing. So inputs, because it's obviously a sensor or a binary state is an input. And there's your temperatures. So air source heat pump, common flow temp, return temp. The extension VT flow temp, so that is the what's being pumped out to the underfloor heating. Secondary flow temp. So, and then your hot water temperatures.
Okay. That's it then? Yeah. All right. Thank you.
Okay.